80 hours of welding done in the right way. Hello family, my name is Joel Brown Jr., aka your welding coach, and I'm going live right now at Arkansas Baptist College here in Little Rock, Arkansas, inside of the Meta 24 welding program. And I wanted to talk to you briefly about the Meta 24 welding program and what Arkansas Baptist College is establishing here in Little Rock. Right now we're working on phase 1. We're actually going to have 3 phases to our blocks where you can dive into the intro stage, dive into the more of the advanced stage, and then dive into the top level that we have, which is diving straight into the workforce after you have put your extensive time and hours in. So getting started with our program, we are connecting this into the academics of the school. We are connected it into learning different skills inside of the Meta 24 program, and then we're implementing welding in this. So this first phase, you don't do as many hours like a typical welding school. You don't go in and just run beads or we do something completely different. And as you see, we're starting off with the TIG welding process. We're inside of a clean building. This is one of the processes you actually can learn. You don't have to be dirty. You can learn the fundamentals, the basics, and you can get a lot done by learning this process. So we're teaching the intro to TIG welding. And in this process, you're actually going to learn how to run regular beads just on a plate. You're going to learn how to prep your plate. You're going to learn how to add filler metal to your plate. You're going to be able to do that. You're going to learn how to do lap joints. You're going to do some lap joints. You're going to do some T-joints. You're going to do some edge joints. You know what I mean? We're going to be able to give you to do some buck joints. The goal is to give you the basic fundamentals. And we're going to do this right in an 80-hour setting. And the reason this is because, like I say, it's other classes that ties into this program. So our goal is to give you the intro. Make sure you got everything you need, because a lot of time when people miss this step to become a great welder, when they actually get into the field, they're like, man, I really wish I'd have got this and this. That's what we're going to give you, the introduction. Everything you need, family, from learning how to set your equipment up, learning safety, PPE, learning how to show up on time, which a lot of people don't understand. That part of the work has nothing to do with welding, but you have to be able to show up on time and consistently, and it also helps you rise and make you more desirable for the companies out here looking to hire you. So I actually received an email today. I have a lady that emailed me today that wants to look for flux core welders and MIG welders, family. That's what she's looking for right now. And the price range go from $20 to $25 an hour based on, $20 to $30 an hour based on skill set, based on what you know. So you can have, so what you're telling me is 2 people can walk up with the same skill, and one person can make more money than the other person. And you know why? Because one person learned the basics and they constantly scaled themselves. One person was trying to hurry up and get out. They wanted to just get enough so they can get some job or make some money or show up pretty well. So I would recommend, when you come into programs like this, get it all. Learn safety, learn the dynamics of a torch, how to break your torch down. We teach the full setup. We're going to break it down. We're going to put it back together. We're going to play with it, fam, just like they said in the Army. This gun, this your friend. You got to sleep with it. You're going to eat with it, all that good stuff. So the same thing with the torch. And one thing I have learned by teaching the TIG welding process first, before they dive into the other ones, it helps them learn the fundamentals better. It kind of slow everything down, because TIG is one of the slowest processes in the welding. Stick, you can hit it, you go. That MIG and that flux core, you hit the trigger and you go. But this TIG, you got to take your time. It's a little slower. You still can get some work done in a reasonable time, but it's a slower process. So when you slow things down, normally it's to really digest the knowledge, break it down, see what's going on. I know I'm not the only one that like Matrix, the movie Matrix. You know how they slow things down? We have to slow this welding process down too, fam, so we can get it all. We want to be able to get it all, and that's my goal, is to break everything down in phase 1. So phase 1 is only 80 hours. So someone asked me, how much is it? Since it's a lot cheaper, I mean a lot less hours, it's going to be cheaper. I can't put a price on it, but I can tell you this, it's under $2,000 to get this in a 6-week setting. And then you got your advanced setting, which is going to have the same 6 weeks, but you're putting more hours in. So now you know, okay, this is what I want. That program most definitely is going to be right around $5,000, $5,100, $5,200, something like that, around that price. So the intro of phase 1 gives you the opportunity to still get a job, but you're going to learn the fundamentals, you're going to learn the basics, you're going to learn how to set up, you're going to learn welding before you really actually start welding. And this is what's really going to put you a step ahead, because a lot of people, they try to hurry up and skip steps. You're not going to do that. So we're going to come in here, we're going to give you the basics, we're going to teach you how to read blueprints, we're going to teach you how to read that tape measure, because if you're going to scale to make more money, you got to learn the basics of shop drawings, the basics of reading a tape measure from a 16th to an inch, fam. Fam, if you can read a tape measure from a 16th to an inch, you can change your life forever. No reason to get overwhelmed, no reason to say, man, I can't do, you can do anything, you put your mind to it. Anything. I was listening to Dr. Fitz talk the other day, and he said, I bet you more people in this crowd right now know they ABCs, and everybody like, oh yeah, we do. He said, I bet you know about a song. A, B, C, D. It's the song. That's how they taught us. And people old and young still know the ABC, the way they taught us, because it made us remember things with a system. So when it comes to education, everyone learns different, and we don't have to gravitate to the knowledge the same. So our goal here at Arkansas Baptist College is to meet people exactly where they are at. Help you learn the trade exactly where you are at. Help you get educated exactly where you are. We're helping you from a GED, from enrolling into some skills in the Meta 24 program, and also getting degrees. So it's a win-win situation, fam. And our goal is just to start. We're getting started, fam. And when you're getting started, you're not saying you got it all figured out. We know how it needs to go, but we got to make steps, fam. And our goal is to keep it moving. I heard a projection that half of the HBCU colleges will be closing within a year or so, fam. And we don't want to be one of them here at Arkansas Baptist College. Our goal is to help the need, help the city, change the recidivism rate. We actually got a program where we're literally going into the juveniles detention center and bringing them into the college, into the Meta 24 program, getting them educated, using them as mentors to train the other ones that we get. Like, in order to break the chain, fam, you got to go back where it started at. Most people go way downstream and try to fix the problem. The problem started way upstream. We was young. We was kids. If we can fix that, we can change everything. And that's what I focus here at the Meta 24 program. That's why I am here, your welding coaches here at Arkansas Baptist College, because I believe in the movement. I believe in the mission. And so I wanted to give you some live, updated information so you'll know what you're getting yourself into. But when you leave this program after 6 weeks, you're going to learn, you're going to know how to TIG weld, in different positions, how to fit, how to clean, how to prepare yourself, and how to go in and get that job. We're going to show you everything from the terminologies, fam, to get you going. And it's not a whole lot of time during a week. You got to think, it's just 80 hours for 6 weeks. You can break that down in a 6-week setting. But our goal is to help you win, fam. So if this information helped you, if this information can inspire you to be great, or you know someone that needs it, please share with them, fam. Because it don't matter if you're not in Little Rock, you still get the opportunities if you can come into the area. We got people coming from all over, different states coming in to benefit. So you can get signed up. All you have to do is call 501-420-1200. Call, ask about the program, get on the waiting list. I'm going to leave a link inside of this video in the message so you can get on the waiting list, fill it out, let me know your name, your number, when you planning on getting into the program, fam. We want to lock in the first 100 people. So we need that first 100 emails, so please email us now. And so we can get you on this list so that way we can build up this program, fam. So if you cool with us, fool with us. Y'all be blessed, continue to prosper. I'm out. Hold on.